Hi again, everyone. Okay, we're Calc 3. This is example 2 on page 3 of your notes. Actually, let's see, page 3. Yes, I'm on page 3 of your notes. All right, so what points P have coordinates x, y, and z satisfy the equations x squared plus y squared equals 4 and z equals 3? So the way to think about this one is if I just saw x squared plus y squared equals 4, if I was in just the two dimensions of x and y, then that would be the circle of radius 2, right, centered at the origin. So there I've tried to draw that. Now remember, the x-axis is coming out of us directly at us, so it looks a little skewed even though it is a circle. Okay, and then if I didn't say what z had to be, that would mean that z could be anything. So you would take that circle and you'd slide it up and down the z-axis and it would actually form a cylinder. But because we specifically want z equals 3, that means that we will just stop that circle as it's sliding at z equals 3. So it's just the circle, x squared plus y squared equals 4, but in the horizontal plane z equals 3 only.